Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use the PAO app. So after you sign in, you will land in this home page which contains the default PAO. You can explore it by changing the number, all right, of any person, action or object, and this is just the default PAO. Now here you can hit create and create your new PAO set. Let's name it my PAO, give it a description but it's optional, and hit create PAO set. And once you hit create, you can add person and action or object. So let's go and start with adding the first person. Add a number, a name, and add an image of our person and hit add person. All right, we have our first person, and this way you can add 99 person to your PAO. And here let's go and add the action for our first person, catch, and let's add the image of that action. All right, let's add action, and the same way we can add 99 action this way. And here for object, let's add our first object, and it will be snitch, and we will upload the image of the action. All right, add an object. All right, and if you don't have an image, you can use an empty one. All right, now the most important part, so your PAO will be displayed in the home page. You hit set as active and you go to the home page, and here we have our PAO displayed here. We can explore it. For now we just have the first one, but once you added 99, you can explore them like this default one. You can change any number, add a sequence of number, and you can browse your PAO. All right, next let's go to practice, and here we have flashcards. You can explore your PAO with flashcards and memorize by person or by action or by objects. So that was the flashcard, and we have speed training. We have two modes. We have quick start, and it will give you a number, and it will what is the name? The question is what is the name of that number? It's action, and you will guess one of these four answers. All right, and you have 15 seconds to find the answer and 10 questions. All right, let's go back, and here in athlete mode training you can change first the range. You can just practice the first 10 PAO, for example. So you can start from memorizing the first 10, then the 20 until the 99. So you can progress at your own pace. And here we can change number to name or name to number. So it will display the name and we will guess the number, and here it will display the number and we will guess the name. And then the length of the session, for speed we can decrease it to 5 seconds by question or 10, and the time limit 15 seconds. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the session, this is the number of questions, and this is the time limit. All right, so let's go like that, and we have the number, and the time limit is 5 seconds, I guess. Yes, 5 seconds and 20 questions. That was for speed training, and that is a quiz challenge. Also we have a simple quiz. It will give you a question, what number corresponds to exploring. This is an action, and you will guess the number. And you will go one question from 0 to 10 questions. All right, next we have the athlete mode training of the quiz, and you can have mixed number names in your questions. You have just name and you guess the number, or just the number and you guess the name. And also you have custom range, and you can just practice the first 20 PAO, for example. All right, now here in the sequence challenge, it will give you 3 numbers and you will guess in 30 seconds what is the sequence, person, action, and object. Or here in athlete mode, you can practice just, for example, the first 20. It will limit the question just for the 20. And the time, you will decrease it to 3 seconds and you will increase the sequence length. For example, let's give us 12 numbers. And here we have 12 numbers we need to guess in just 10 seconds. All right. And let's see, reveal the answer. As you can see, it will give you the full story of the answer. Alright, that was it for the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy the app.